All right, so today what we're going to go through is we're going to go through my Grogu green alien from Star Wars. I got my CK chrome printed plate here. I got a USB. I pay $1 for that. I pay $1 and maybe 20 cents for this cord. And here's a remote that goes with the microchip. The microchip I get from China. That's all I'm going to say about that. I'm not going to give away my methods for that madness. You have to find your own. So anyways, let's dive into this project and let's get this going and let's see the end result. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our little doll here. Okay. We're going to run our cord through the doll. All right, and then after that, okay, well, let's just go with that. Let's run our cord through the doll. Okay, so from there, we're going to connect this to our microchip with our LED lights on it that I found in China. All right, then after that, we're gonna assemble our cap with our CK on it. We're gonna glue that together. Okay, and then after that, we're gonna glue the cap to the bottom of the Yoda. And then over here we have our USB, and that's going to go into a wall plug into the socket. And then to turn this guy off and on, we are going to have a remote control with a bunch of buttons. Pretty cool. Let's get this built up and see what we got. Okay. All right, so I'm going to get the wire clipper and I'm going to clip this guy off. And I'm going to expose the two wires to solder him up. Okay, we're going to strip the ends of those two wires. We're going to feed him in through the back. Wapow. Feed him right in through there. Now, we're going to grab our microchip. And we are going to solder that. And I'm looking for my glasses and I don't see any. Okay, so we got that soldered up. Now what I like to do is I like to put a little pin prick of glue on there just to reinforce that. So you really got to wreck the heck out of this thing in order to break it. You got to swing it around quite a few times by the cord. Hold that for 50 seconds and voila. Now what we want to do, take this guy here, which is our cover, and we're going to get a little bit of glue on this guy. Glue him on there, hold him for like 20 seconds. Now we're going to glue the bottom of this. Snug that up. Nice, nice, just like that. Now we have our fully assembled Grogu light. Let's clip him in here to his USB light. What am I doing wrong here? Okay. And here's the remote control to turn it off and on. And let's bring it into a dark area and let's see what we came up with here. Okay, so there it is. Let's go through some colors here. There's the red, the green, blue. What illuminates the best? All kinds of different options there. And then we have this. Changes color. We got strobe light. Crazy lights. Fade. All kinds of stuff. There you have the light, guys. I hope you liked it. Have a good one.